Hello, beauties! It's Renee, and today we're diving into a super easy DIY face mask recipe for glowing skin. We all love that fresh, radiant glow, and guess what? You don't have to spend a fortune at the spa to get it. You can create your own glowing skin mask using simple, natural ingredients that you probably already have in your kitchen. Ready to glow? Let's get started. For this DIY face mask, you'll need 1 tablespoon of honey, which acts as nature's moisturizer. 1 tablespoon of plain yogurt for gentle exfoliation, 1 teaspoon of turmeric for an anti-inflammatory boost, and a few drops of lemon juice to brighten up your complexion. In a small bowl, combine the honey and yogurt. Stir them together until it's nice and creamy. Then, add in the turmeric and a couple of drops of lemon juice. This combo will brighten and even out your skin tone. Mix everything well, and you're done. You've got your glow mask ready. Now take a generous amount of the mask and apply it evenly to your face. Make sure to avoid your eyes, but coat your neck too. Relax and let the magic happen. Leave it on for about 10 to 15 minutes while you sit back, close your eyes, and breathe in that calming, natural goodness. After the mask has dried a little, gently wash it off with warm water. Pat your face dry with a clean towel, and you'll instantly notice that healthy glow. For an extra glow, follow up with your favorite moisturizer to lock in all that hydration. And there you have it, a simple, natural DIY face mask that's perfect for glowing, radiant skin. If you love this, don't forget to like and subscribe for more beauty tips, travel hacks, and lifestyle inspo.